Welcome back. In this video, we're making a vodka chicken parm. Over medium-low heat, oil, shallot, season with salt and pepper. Once the shallots are soft, tomato paste, cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until fragrant. The tomato paste will start to stick. Deglaze with vodka, cook off the alcohol about 60 seconds. Then add crushed tomatoes, bring it up to a simmer, continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until it's reduced by about a quarter. Whisk in heavy cream. Once the cream is heated through, finish with Parmesan cheese and sugar. Grab your thinly cut chicken breasts, dredge them in flour, dip them in eggs, then into breadcrumbs, pressing to adhere. Into a deep fryer they go at 350 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes or until nicely golden brown and crispy. Season with salt while they're still hot. To assemble, onto Italian bread goes your chicken, some of the vodka sauce, top them off with mozzarella cheese. Under the broiler they go until the cheese has melted. Some more sauce on the top half. Crown your sandwiches, and there we have it, a vodka chicken parm. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.